pussy yet. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that.